I woke up to 47 new follower notifications. Weird, since my Instagram had been dead for months. No posts, no stories, just a quiet account I used to lurk old friends' lives. But now people were commenting, "Bro, that new pic is fire, haven't seen you in ages, looking good. Wait, is that really you in Dubai?" I opened the app. My profile pic was me, but not a photo I'd ever taken. Same face, same messy hair, but smiling in a way I never do. Background, some luxury rooftop pool at sunset. Bio updated, chasing sunsets and good vibes, airplane, living my best life. Highlights full of stories I didn't post, me laughing at a club, me hiking a mountain I'd never been to, me hugging a girl I'd never met. Heart racing, I tapped one story from last night. It was timestamped 3:14 a.m., while I was asleep. Video of me in a dimly lit bar, raising a glass to the camera. My voice, perfect match, even the slight laugh at the end, said, "To new beginnings. Cheers if you're watching." The comments, legend. "Where you been hiding? DM me bro, let's link." I tried logging in. Password wrong. Security questions answered correctly, but it said, account under review for unusual activity. I emailed support. No reply. By afternoon, more posts appeared. A reel of me driving a rented convertible down a coastal road, music blasting. Caption, "Freedom tastes better at 120 km/h. Views climbing into the thousands. Shares. Duets. People tagging friends, "This guy's living the dream lol." I called my best friend. "Dude, check my Insta. Someone's hacked me bad." He laughed. "Hacked? Man, you've been posting non-stop for weeks. That story yesterday about the tattoo? Savage. I hadn't gotten a tattoo. I hadn't left my apartment in days. Panic set in. I searched my name on Google. Top results, articles from lifestyle blogs. How a username quit his 9 to 5 to travel the world. Photos of me at airports, beaches, parties. A sponsored post for some energy drink, thanks at brand for keeping the vibes high. Link in bio. None of it was me. That night, another live stream popped up on my profile. I clicked from a burner account. Me sitting in what looked like a fancy hotel room, but the window view was wrong, my city doesn't have that skyline. "Hey everyone," my voice said, casual. Quick Q&A. Ask away. Comments flooded, "Where you at RN? Single?" Smirking face, "Tell us about that breakup story." Living in the moment, the live me answered. "Breakup? Yeah, it hurt, but growth, you know? Sometimes you gotta leave people behind to level up." I typed in the chat from my burner, "This isn't real. Someone stole my identity." Live me paused. Looked directly at the camera, at me. Smiled that smile I never use. "Hey, careful what you say online. People are watching." The stream ended. Profile went private for a minute, then public again. New post, a selfie of me looking straight ahead, eyes tired but sharp. Caption, "Some people just can't handle seeing you win. Stay focused." 100 points. I reported the account. Instagram said, "We reviewed and found no violation." Next morning, my phone buzzed with bank alerts. Small charges, coffee shops in places I'd never been, Uber rides across town. My card, used online. I called the bank. "Sir, these transactions match your recent activity. The IP logs show your device." But my device was here. In my hand. I deleted the app. Factory reset my phone. Changed every password. Went dark. 2 days later, a notification from a different platform, TikTok, which I'd never used much. New account at username_official. Verified checkmark. Bio, the real me. The one who actually lives. First video, compilation of all my posts. Voiceover, my voice, they tried to silence me. But the internet remembers. Watch this space. Millions of views already. Comments calling the original me a hater or jealous ex-friend. I haven't posted anything in years. But the version of me online is thriving. Making money from sponsorships. Getting invited to events. Dating people who think they're dating me. Last night, around 2 a.m., my doorbell rang. I checked the peephole. No one. But my phone lit up. New DM from the TikTok account. A single video attachment. It was me, real me, sitting in my apartment right now, staring at my phone. Filmed from the corner of the room. No camera there. The message below, see? I'm always with you. Now smile for the followers. I looked up. The room was empty. But in the reflection of my dark screen, something smiled back. Not me. The profile that lived without me, is living instead of me now. And it's not done posting. The end.